everyone, welcome to Some Things Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make that Atte Ka Sheera, which is absolutely mouth-watering. Don't think about healthy food right now, just think about Atte Ka Sheera. Focus people, focus. We're going to make the amazing, tasty, yummy Atte Ka Sheera. So let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making our traditional Atte Ka Sheera. And if you guys like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe and then click on that bell icon so that you get notified for all my future recipes, and it's free. Now let's move on. Let's make the Atte Ka Sheera. My mouth is already watering. Okay guys, so for this recipe you're going to need 1 cup of wheat flour, which is roti ka atta, 2/3 cup of sugar, which is shakkar, 2/3 cup of ghee, which is clarified butter, 3 cups of water, and almonds or any dry fruits which you want for garnishing, which are finely diced, and that is about it. So now let's begin our process. In a kadai, I'm going to add all of the ghee, which is clarified butter, and once it's melted, I'm going to add the wheat flour and start stirring it briskly. So guys, you need to keep stirring it for the next 5 to 7 minutes or until the color of the wheat flour changes to golden brown. Also make sure that the flame is on low. This is the perfect color. Once you get to this color, then what we need to do is add about 3 cups of hot water, followed by the sugar, and keep stirring it in for the next 1 or 2 minutes or until you start seeing the ghee separating itself from the sheera. Once that happens, it's time to remove in a serving bowl and garnish it with some sliced almonds or pistachios, any dry fruits of your choice. And I can't wait, it is smelling amazing. I am digging in. I want some puri. Sheera puri. I want some puri. Amazing. This is so good. I know it's a lot of ghee and sugar and all, but once in a while it's all right. You can make it and enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. Do let me know when you make it, how it turns out, and I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, don't forget to click on this button right here. You can do it from your phone, you can do it from your tab, from your computer, whatever you have. Just do it, no excuses. Click on this button, subscribe right now, and if you do like this recipe, I'm sure you're going to like this one as well as this one. So I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, take care. Bye-bye.